So, hi students, today we are going to discuss about the worksheet 2.2 in page number 10. Observe that page number 10 in your application book A. All of you open that application book and see that what is the question number A. A Roman we are going to discuss here. What is the A Roman? Write the following numbers in expanded form. You have to write the numbers, you have to write that the given numbers into expanded form. Now, I am going to explain the first sum here. So, what is the number is given there? So, this is the number is given. So, you have to divide that numbers into periods, ones periods, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. So, 8 crores, 56 lakhs, 28,364. We are going to write the expanded form for this number. So, how we can write the expanded form for this any number? We have to add the place values of the each and every digit. The sum of the place value of each and every digit is called the expanded form for the number. So, we are going to write the place values for the each and every digit in the given number. Then we will get the expanded form. So, here 18 crores means what we have to write? 8 crores. So, this is the expanded form. 18 crores means 8 crores and 5 in 10 lakhs place, that is why it is called as 50 lakhs, and 6 in lakhs place we have to write that as 6 lakhs, and 2 in 10,000 place it will become 20,000, 18,000 place it will become 8,000, 3 in hundreds place 306 place, 6 in tens 60, and 4 in ones 4. Like that you have to write the expanded form for any number. Understood? Like this you have to complete the remaining one. I am going to explain this fourth one also here. Observe the fourth one here. So, this is the number is given. So, we have to write the places. So, 61 crores, 3 lakhs, 51,753. Now, we are going to write the expanded form for this. So, here up to 10 crores place are there. So, 9 digit number it is. We are going to write the place value for the each and every digit and we have to add those, then we will get the expanded form for this. Okay, now I am going to write, observe this. So, this is the expanded form for this 6 in 10 crores place, so that is why we have to write as 60 crores. 1 is in crores place, we have to write as 1 crore, and 0 in 10 lakhs place, we can write 0 there only. Okay, no need to write the zeros, the place value of 0 is 0 only. Okay, so here lakhs, what is the lakhs place number? 3 in lakhs place, that is why we have to write 3 lakhs. And 5 in 10,000 we have to write as 50,000, 9 in thousands 9,000 and 750 plus 3. This is the expanded form for the given number. Understood? Like this you have to complete the remaining. First complete the what sums I explained, then you have to complete the remaining sums. Okay, now we are going to enter into the B Roman. Now coming to the B Roman. B Roman first sum I am going to explain. See that sum there in your textbook also you can see, sorry, in your application book also you can see this number. So, it will become ones place answer, you have to write the places for the answer. So, here answer is given ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. So, check whether the 66 in 10 lakhs place, 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs is there in that expanded form or check. So, 60 lakhs is there. Put a tick for that. So, 60 lakhs are completed. Okay. Next, 5 in lakhs plus 5 lakhs are there in the answer. There is no 5 lakhs is there. So, 5 lakhs you have to fill in this blank. 5 lakhs. So, which place value is not there in the given expanded form, that place you have to fill. Understood? That place value, 5 place value is not there. Observe the remaining places. 4 in 10,000 place 40,000 is there. 7 in thousands place 7,000 is there here. And next 6 in hundreds place 600 is there. 1 in tens place 10 is there and 1 is there. All places are there, but here 5 lakhs place value is not there in the expanded form. That place value you have to write in the blank. So, check the remaining sums, remaining 5 sums are there here. All sums are in the same model. You have to check which place value is not given, that place value you have to write in that blank. Understood? Okay. Next, C Roman. Now, coming to the C Roman, read the heading there. Write the place value and the face value of the underlined digit in the each of the following. So now I am going to explain first one here. Now in the first one here, first we have to put commas according to the periods, ones period, comma, thousands period, comma, lakhs. So what is the underlined digit here? 0. 0 I have underlined. So place value means PV, you have to write here PV is equal to. Place value of that 0 is 0 only. So face value of that 0 is 0 only. So here, if we are going to find the place value and face value of 0 means the 0 will be the answer. Okay, there is no change in the place value and face value for any number. If it is 0 means, understood? So if other numbers means when you are going to find the place value and face value of the other number means the face value of that number will be the number itself only. Okay, if the face value of the number is the face value of the number is depend upon the place of that number. Understood? Now I am going to explain the second one. You can understand this easily. Okay, second one. So this is the second one. Here these three are ones period after comma, thousands period after comma, lakhs period after comma, crores. Up to crores here given. So what is the underlined digit? This 6 is underlined. So this 6 is in which place? 10 lakhs place. So place value of 6 is the number. We have to multiply that number with that place. What is the place of that 6? Here 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs you have to write here. So 6 into 10 lakhs means 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs is the place value for that number. The whatever the face value of any number is the number itself only. We can write that number again, then it will be the face value for the 6. Face value of 6 only. Okay. So face value of any number is the number itself only. But when you are going to find the place value, you have to multiply that digit with that place. So 6 into that place of the 6 is 10 lakhs. We have to multiply with 10 lakhs, then we will get the 60 lakhs as answer. Understood? First you have to complete these two and remaining sums. One sum only there. Third one, you have to complete the third one also. Understood? If any doubts means you can ask through WhatsApp. Okay? Thank you.